train. And we're using a gingerbread train kit.
Pretty interesting.
Yeah. I have a feeling it's going to be a big one. I think I'm supposed to pull it.
You have to be read instruction first.
Yeah.
And then this one. Oh, this one pretty cool.
It's the frosting.
Yeah, frosting have this. Oh, this as well. Oh, they already have it, the cupboard.
Yeah. They got a bunch of candies. Here are the candies.
Yeah. Yummy, yummy candy, candy, yummy, yummy candy, candy. I love this one. If we can use it, the wheel.
Yeah, those are the wheels.
Oh, careful, boy. You need help? Mommy help you?
Got it.
Okay, careful.
Okay, we got everything ready. So those are the candies. Okay, this whole mommy just made is soup is perfect. Frosting is coming out. Actually, I need frosting down there first. Actually, need frosting.
Oh, yeah.
I almost forgot.
Maybe not stick enough.
Yeah.
A little press.
I don't want to break it.
Maybe mommy help you.
Okay, we got that one. Yeah, we had a little difficulty, so we have to take it down and try again. Now we're doing this. Get that. I take the napkin. Yeah, we need a lot of frosting there. Because we need to make it look like a sandwich cookie. Dun, dun, dun.
Okay, one more frosting.
This one.
Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. How is that gonna fit?
Yeah, maybe. Oh, this thing is here. This thing is here.
Yeah. Yeah, over here they just make decoration. I'll put some frosting here. Perfect.
Yes. Perfect.
Okay. So this is actually the wagon. Now we need to put on the wheels.
Wheel?
For here. The wheels right there is just this.
Yeah.
I don't like this type of candy.
I like it.
Maybe you can eat those?
Okay, that's good.
Okay, friends, that was a little weird because I thought it was full, but it wasn't. So when my mom was doing that, I filled the tender up with these little ball candies. I thought I wouldn't use them, so I put them in here. The extra candies are the coal in here for the train.
Okay.
This is actually pretty fun. Okay, I will take 2 of the mints. I think they're mint. What are these things?
Yeah.
They're mint?
I
Time?
long time any candy.
Yeah. My mom can't eat too much candy now. Enough.
Yeah.
I'll turn it around. I'll turn it around to the other wheel.
It's too much pushing.
I'll get some more frosting. Okay. What's that? Ooh. 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 Let's spread the frosting on these. I'm decorating the train, not the coal hopper. I don't know what it's called. Oh, tender. Get a lot more frosting. Okay, stop that. Okay, get this frosting. I'm gonna get 4 of the mints. Put a small blob of frosting on them. There's a bit of mess here. These are the wheels for the wagon. The wheels will come to the other side. You don't have to move. See?
Yeah, I see.
They're a little not correct. I'm gonna.
Uh-oh.
Always
See? Not too much pressing.
there.
Okay, enough.
Choo choo.
Okay.
And we have a little this.
Yeah. So you want to put some decorate on wheel for choo-choo? You already make a frosting?
No, I got a bunch of extras, right?
Yeah.
That's... of delicious candy. Lots of delicious candy for...
Delivery to kid?
Yep.
Chef, eat it. Chef Nick, eat it.
I eat this tiny piece. Choo choo.
Oh, it's look yummy, yummy, yummy. Choo choo. It's really fun. Making fun. Yeah. Gingerbread train. Looky yummy, yummy, yummy. And choo choo.
Choo choo deliciousness.
Yeah. What are you doing this one? You make a mess. And then, where you want to put that one?
Yes.
Choo choo choo, choo choo choo.
Be very careful.
Yeah, yeah,
It's wobbling.
Yeah. Very careful.
Then I put this thing.
Uh-oh. I told you not to match.
I'm not. I just take something from this. And then I get the frosting.
Hey. I thought you already put in there.
Is the light.
Yeah.
Oh wait, another light. I'll be careful to get
Yeah,
another one.
Yeah.
I'll push it in here. Get some frosting on there.
Yeah.
It looks delicious. I'm gonna try it.
You eat it, sweet.
Which piece should I take? Lots of different pieces.
Yeah.
Oh,
You want to eat wheel or
I'll eat this. I'll put this candy on. Oh, crunchy.
and sweet. What do you think?
It's crunchy and that broke.
Because you put maybe a lot of candy in there, so it's heavy.
I'm not sure. I'm not sure because I've not had gingerbread in a while. So, friends, that's actually gonna end for this episode. So make sure to subscribe, click the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.